and it's a pleasure to come to Coimbatore and speak to press on matters related to CA profession. Today we have a regional conference, and this conference is held by every region once in a year to discuss with the members the current subjects and topics. In our profession, there are many developments in last 2 years after the pandemic. Let me start with students. In Chartered Accountancy course, CA students have to undergo 3 levels of exams, that is entry level, foundation, intermediate and final. And every 10 years we revise syllabus. It is an exhaustive syllabus which covers every area related to the profession of accountancy. So be it accounting, audit, non-financial reporting, taxation, both direct and indirect, insolvency law, all these are covered within our profession, and CA students have to learn all these before they qualify as chartered accountants. Every 10 years we overhaul our syllabus completely, and we review even our training module. You would be aware that every CA student, before he gets the certificate as chartered accountant, has to undergo 3 years articleship training. So every 10 years we overhaul the syllabus as well as the training modules. This time the last revision was done in 2017, and after 5 years we felt that there are so many changes taking place in the way the people do business, the way people carry on their transactions through different modes. Digital way of working is the new way, and therefore the institute thought that even after 5 years, let us have a relook at the entire syllabus and training modules. Basically, the council is of the view that we should shift from memory-based testing to completely application-based testing. At present, in our examination system at final level, there is one paper which is elective. Students are given 8 options. The area in which they want to specialize, they can choose that subject. And in this subject, the exam is conducted on open book basis. That is, case studies are given to them. At the end of the case studies, there are questions which they have to answer.